In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a notes database in Notion. Let's dive right in and start organizing all those thoughts, ideas, and tasks into one streamlined and easy-to-use digital notebook. First, we need to add some useful properties to our notes database. Properties in Notion are like categories of information that allow us to categorize and manage our notes efficiently. Consider what kind of information you'll want to track. Common examples include author, date, tags, or any custom property that fits your needs. Start by opening your blank database within Notion. Click the plus button to the right of your table. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of property types. Choose from options such as text, number, multi-select, or date, depending on which is the most appropriate for the data you want to store. Remember, the power of Notion lies in its flexibility. Think deeply about your workflow and adapt the properties accordingly. Now let's create a new database. You can start by clicking the New Page button on the left sidebar. This will generate a fresh page where you can either insert a database block or choose a database template that serves your needs best. If you're designing from scratch, select the table database type for a structured approach to organizing your notes. This table format is intuitive and offers a clear overview of all entries. Start adding entries one by one. Don't worry about perfection. The great thing about Notion is that you can refine and adjust properties as you go. Next, let's establish categories to help you sort and filter your notes. Having categories such as work, meetings, research, learning, personal, ideas, and projects can give you immediate clarity on what type of notes you're dealing with and help with grouping similar items together. Categories act as a tagging system, allowing you to prioritize and differentiate your notes based on these alignments. Go back to your database view and add a column dedicated to these categories. Multi-select properties are perfect for this because they allow you to assign multiple categories to a single note. Say you have a note that's both an idea and relates to a current project. The multi-select function enables such flexibility, and there you have it. We've established a strong foundation from which you can build a comprehensive and powerful notes database in Notion. Feel free to adjust the categories and properties as your needs evolve over time. Remember, creating a system that genuinely works for you is the key. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this setup and experiment with moving notes around, filtering by properties, or adding new interesting categories and properties. By customizing Notion to suit your workflow, you'll create a treasure trove of information that's easy to access and manage. Enjoy the power of being organized and efficient in this digital age. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of Notion's incredible features.